Friends, we are looking at the numericals of integrated rate law for first order reaction. Now we'll see the numericals on half-life period of the first order reaction and some more examples of the integrated rate law of first order reaction. Okay? So take the numerical, write down the time required to decompose. First numerical, the time required to decompose SO2Cl2 to half of its initial amount is 60 minutes. 60 minutes. If the decomposition is a first order reaction, if the decomposition is first order reaction, calculate the rate constant of the reaction. Very simple. Now see this, the time required to decompose SO2Cl2 to half of its initial amount means the half-life period is given, that is 60 minutes. T half is given, that is 60 minutes. Okay, and what is asked in this question? If the decomposition is first order reaction, calculate the rate constant of the reaction. ये रिएक्शन फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन है और फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन में आपको पता है फार्मूला, पहले हम गिवन डाटा लिखते हैं. गिवन, व्हाट इज गिवन? T half 60 minutes and what is asked? Rate constant. Now you know the relation for first order reaction. What is the relation between T half and K? For first order reaction, T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Okay, so you can write here K is equal to 0.693 divided by T half, or you can write 0.693 divided by 60 minutes. Okay, so you can divide it easily this and you will get what? 60 minutes से अगर आपने ये डिवाइड किया 693 इंटू 10 to the power -3, ये +1 10 to the power -1 हो जाएगा, डिवाइडेड बाय 6. 115.5 10 to the power -4. What is the value of K? 115.5 into 10 to the power -4 per minute. आप इसको सेकंड में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? You can calculate this in second also. Convert that 60 minute into second and you can calculate this rate constant in per second also. Okay, so this is the calculation you can write here. Okay, so this is what about the calculation of the half-life period of first order reaction. Note down this calculation. After that, take next example. Now suppose the rate constants are given and you have to find out T half. Very simple, you know the formula. T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. So you can, if you know the value of K, you can easily calculate the T half of the reaction. Okay, Let us calculate the half-life of first order reaction. calculate the half-life of first order reaction, calculate the half-life of first order reaction from their rate constants given below. Okay, given below. First, take this 200 per second. Second, 2 per minute. Third, 4 per year. Okay, so these are the values of rate constant, they are given, and from that you have to calculate here the half-life of first order reaction. You know the relationship between half-life of the first order reaction and rate constant. Okay, so write down that. For first, write down formula. Half-life of first order reaction is half-life of first order reaction is T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Okay, so the K values are given. You can calculate the T half. So first calculation I am doing here, T half is equal to 0.693 divided by 200 per second. It comes out to be 0.346 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, you can easily calculate this. Second calculation, T half is equal to 0.693. What is the value of K given? 2 per minute. You can easily calculate 0.346 minutes. Okay, note down. Third, T half is equal to 0.693 divided by 4 per year 1. $173 years. Okay, so you can easily calculate here values of T half. Okay, so in this way we have calculated the values of T half if we know the values of rate constants. Okay, very easy. Note down this calculation, very easy they are. Okay, so next example we'll take third problem on the first order reaction, half-life and rate constant. Okay, वेरी इजी. अगर आपको कैलकुलेशंस अच्छे से आते हैं तो आप इजीली ये सॉल्व कर सकते हो. टेक द थर्ड न्यूमेरिकल related with it. The half-life for radioactive decay, the half-life for radioactive decay, decay means disintegration of C14 is carbon 14 isotope is 5730. Can write this years. कार्बन 14 का डिकम्पोजिशन करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? हाफ लाइफ 5730 years. An archaeological artifact contain an archaeological artifact contained wood that had only 80% of C14 found in living tree. Okay, living tree. Estimate the age of sample. Estimate the age of sample. Note down first numerical. Okay, now what is given in this numerical, friends? Very easy numerical. It is half-life of radioactive decay of C14 is given. That is T half 5730 years, 5730 years. Okay. Now archaeological artifact contain the wood that had only 80% of C14 फाउंड इन लिविंग ट्री. अब 80% रिमेन है C14 में. ओके, सो 20% डीके हो गया. 100% ओरिजिनल सैंपल था, उसमें से आप 80% बचा है. ओनली 80% ऑफ C14 फाउंड इन लिविंग ट्री. ओके, सो A0 is 100%, 80 means remain, that is 80%. Okay, decomposed 20%, 80% remain. 100 is initial amount, 80% is a T value. Okay, and you can calculate K value from this half-life equation. Okay, half-life is equal to 0.693 upon K for first order. Okay, by that relation you can calculate the K and you can put the value of K in the first order integrated rate law equation. You can calculate the time, age of the sample. Okay, okay, so that is what the age of the sample you can calculate. Write down. Radioactive decay follows first order. Radioactive decay here follows first order. Radioactive decay follows first order. Therefore K is equal to 0.693 divided by T half is equal to 0.693 divided by 5730 per year. This is the value of K. Okay, now you have to estimate here the age of the sample. Okay, right now substituting in formula we will get here T is equal to 2.303 upon K means here 0.693 divided by 5730. Okay, we can put here the per year goes to numerator, it becomes here log 10. A0 value is 100% and 80 remain is 80. Okay, so you can calculate this. So T is equal to, you can write here, therefore T is equal to 2.303 into 5730 upon 0.693 into log of, you can divide this 10 by 8, (1.25). Okay, 1.25 you can take the log of 1.25 and that comes out to be, what is the log of 1.25? ट्वेल्व का आपको 5 में लॉग देखना है 0.0969 0.0969 ओके सो 2.3035730 into 0.0969 divided by 0.693, that will be the value of t. You can calculate the value of t. It becomes near about, and it is in years. Okay, so you can calculate the value of t here. It comes out to be year, in year 1845.1 years. Okay, तो इतना आपको, that is what age निकलेगा. The age of the sample is, what is the age of sample? It is 1845 years. तो इतने years लगे हैं 20% डिकम्पोज होने के लिए. ओके, 20% डिकम्पोज होने के लिए. हाफ लाइफ ऑफ दिस फॉर रेडियोएक्टिव डीके, हाफ लाइफ ऑफ द रेडियोएक्टिव डीके ऑफ दिस C40 इज 5730 years. हाफ लाइफ उतनी है. तो उतने टाइम में आपको, अगर टाइम निकाला आपने, 100% ओरिजिनल सैंपल था और 80% बचा है, इसका मतलब 20% डिकम्पोज हुआ है. 20% डिकम्पोज होने के लिए इतने इयर्स पास आउट हुए. ठीक है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द एज ऑफ द सैंपल दैट वी हैव टेकन? द वुड सैंपल, दैट इज 1845 years. Okay, so this is what the calculation of t half and estimating the age of the sample. Okay, note down these calculations. You can do these calculations by taking the logs. Next numerical we'll take. Okay, note down these first. Take next numerical. That is fourth numerical. Take next numerical. These are the challenging numericals. Okay. So try to solve it by taking the logs. And a first order reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. First order reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. Calculate T half. ओके, यहाँ पे दिया है देखो 30% डिकम्पोज हुआ है इतना. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है 70% रिमेंड है. सो इनिशियल अमाउंट 100% आपको लेना है और डिकम्पोज होने के बाद कितना रिमेंड है वो 80 वैल्यू. A0 इज इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड 80 इज फाइनल, that is remain. Okay, तो 30% डिकम्पोज हुआ है, इसका मतलब 70% रिमेन है. ओके, यू कैन कैलकुलेट इजीली टी हाफ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, विल राइट the given T is given, that is first order reaction takes 40 minutes. Okay, we have to calculate here T half. A0 100 80 100 minus 30, that is 70. Okay, so you can write here K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10 A0 upon 80. This is the first order integrated rate law equation. You can write 2.303 upon 40 minutes log 10 A0 upon 80 means 100 upon 70. Okay, so you can divide this 1.42. Okay, so here the value of K becomes K is equal to 2.303 upon 40 minutes log of 1.42. So it becomes 2.303 upon 40 minutes into 1.42 का लॉग आप देखोगे तो यह आएगा 0.1549. You can calculate the value of K. It comes out to be 8.918. (10 to the power minus 3) per minute. Okay, note down this value and try to do this calculation. Now we have asked T half, so you can easily calculate now T half. T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K, that is 8.918 (10 to the power minus 3) मिनट में आएगा ये, और ये आता है देखो नियर अबाउट 77.7 minutes. Okay, so this is the half life, 77.7 minutes. So in this way you can do the calculations, friends, for calculation of T half for the first order reaction. Okay, hope you understood these numericals, how they are asked, and on the basis of given data you can calculate the values of T half, rate constant. Okay, आपको सिर्फ पहले ये देखना, ये इक्वेशन देखना है. इस इक्वेशन से आप K निकाल सकते हो, टाइम निकाल सकते हो. K निकालने के बाद आप इजीली T half फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट न्यूमेरिकल्स वी आर लुकिंग एट. ओके, ठीक है, नोट डाउन करें ये पॉइंट्स.